If you're running low on yarn and you can't go a day without crocheting, I'm right there with you. We all have that big bag of scrap yarn that's just waiting for the next project, and it's finally time to pull it out. All of these patterns are absolutely free. You can find them all down in the description box below. I'm going to help you save your hard-earned cash by using your stash. I'm Alysha of Littlejohn Yarns, and today we're going to look at the top 10 scrap yarn projects. Number 10, giant crochet buttons. Not having the right button for your crochet project can ruin the whole aesthetic. You can find yourself wasting time looking for the right one, but problem solved. Why not make your own with the yarn that you have? Match any button color to your project. The designer of this pattern is myself, Littlejohn Yarns. Number 9, spiral scrubby. This design may look like sorcery, but trust me, anyone can make it. This fun scrubby looks complicated, but as you can see, it simply worked flat with some clever increases and decreases. This quick crochet project is great for scratchy leftover yarn, and bonus, they make it easy to scrub off those tough kitchen stains. The designer of this pattern is Judith Prindle. Number 8, Puffy scrap yarn potholder. Fabulous and functional, this puffy potholder is a great use of your leftover cotton yarn. While other patterns require you to make 2 layers and sew them together, this design uses 1 layer that's extra thick and squishy thanks to the puff stitches. The designer of this pattern is Stitch 11. Number 7, never-ending hyperbolic Mobious. This clever little make is the crochet equivalent of a fidget spinner. It's a fun way to keep anxious hands busy. You'll find yourself twisting for hours in content. Do you know somebody with dementia or ADHD who might like one of these? I can think of a few wiggly little ones who'd appreciate this. The designer of this pattern is Less Waste. Number 6, want to make a monster? Who wouldn't love to receive one of these little monster cuties in their favorite colors? I love all the different ways you can customize these by changing their facial expressions or adding accessories. And did I mention they're pretty great beginner patterns too? The designer of this pattern is Crafty is Cool. Number 5, Flamingo sleep mask. Putting on eye cover for sleep can be a part of a calming bedtime routine that conditions your brain to recognize everything safe, calm, and comfortable. But why not do it in style with these ingenious flamingo sleep masks? I'd be lying if I said I love waking up in the morning to the sun, but I don't. These sleep masks are cute and practical. The designer of this pattern is Bobbles and Babbles. Number 4, doll tea set. You'll be saving money 2 ways with this next pattern. Inspire your kiddos' playful imagination with this tiny doll tea set, or add a scenery to your fairy garden with this teeny weeny whimsical tea set. I love the green colors that the designer chose. They remind me of forest fairies. Make sure you check out the free pattern, which will be down in the description box below. The designer of this pattern is Niecy's Notions. Number 3, hand sanitizer cozy. If you're looking for ways to keep your hands clean and your kids' hands clean during this cold and flu season, especially when you're not near a washroom, this hand sanitizer cozy will be perfect. Whether you're using it for your backpack or headed into territories unknown, these little sanitizer holders will whip up in no time flat. The designer of this pattern is Heart Hook Home. Arriving in our number 2 spot is the Crochet Choker. Want to make a statement piece everybody will be talking about? This crochet choker will do exactly that. The choker is created in a few simple rows that can be completed in under 30 minutes. You have the option of using worsted weight yarn or crochet thread. Choose whatever you have in your stash. Look great with only using scraps. The designer of this pattern is myself, Littlejohn Yarns. Coming in at number 1 is the recycled scrap yarn and Plarn crochet basket. Combine your brightly colored scrap yarns with DIY Plarn, which are plastic bags cut into strips to make these clever upcycled crochet baskets. The Plarn helps add structure to the basket to prevent any type of drooping. And don't worry, a Plarn and basket video tutorial are included. The designer of this pattern is A Crafty Concept. What do you like to make with your scrap yarn? Let me know down in the comments below, and make sure you check out my top 10 1-hour crochet projects right here, and I'll see you all on the next video.